it's Samantha Erica and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing a quick wash and go for you guys, and it's been a minute since I've done a wash and go. I don't think I've done a wash and go yet this year. That's how long it's been. I usually don't do a lot of wash and goes in the winter just because my hair tends to get really dry and it's been really cold, so I haven't been doing wash and goes. I've been wearing my hair in mostly protective styles, but I decided today I wanted to do a wash and go. So the products that I'm going to be using today are my coconut and hibiscus curl in style milk, and I like to use this when I do wash and goes just because it does leave my hair feeling very moisturized and not too dry. The second product that I'm going to be using is the red palm oil and cocoa butter curl stretch pudding, and again this is by Shea Moisture, and that's what it looks like. It's actually going to be my first time doing a wash and go using this product, so I'm excited to see how it turns out. I've done twist outs, and I think actually no, I haven't done a braid out. I've done twist outs using this product before and I really like it, so I'm excited to see how my wash and go would turn out using this as one of my main products. The last product that I'm going to be using is my Eco Styler gel, and I'm going to be using very little gel. I just like to put a little bit to help my curls hold a little bit more, but not too much because it does make my hair get crunchy if I put too much of that gel. And the last thing I'm gonna have close by is my spray bottle of water, and this is just in case my sections get a little bit too dry. I'll refresh it with some water before I add my product to it. So I just finished washing my hair. Hi Bubba, what is it? Christian's right here, guys. So I've just finished washing my hair, and I did try to detangle it a little bit before I got started because I didn't want to be here spending a lot of time detangling my hair as I do my wash and go. So I did try and detangle it a little bit, and it's pretty wet. I had it pinned up so that it didn't dry out too much, but that's what it looks like right now. And I'm gonna start at the back section of my hair, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pin back up the rest of my hair, and I'm gonna start from the back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and undo each section, apply my product, and show you guys how I rake in my product to get a defined wash and go. So I'm gonna stop talking and just show you guys what I do. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscription button down below. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up as well. And also guys, don't forget to hit that little bell down below so you guys can be notified every time I post every time I post a new video. So the first thing I'm gonna do is detangle my first section of hair. You want to make sure your hair is thoroughly detangled when you're doing a wash and go, just to make sure your curls come out nice and smooth. The first product that I'll be applying to my hair is my Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk. And this product is going to help to leave my curls nice and moisturized. The next product that I'm going to be using is my curl stretch pudding. My wash and goes usually experience a lot of shrinkage, so I'm hoping that this product can actually help to elongate my curls a little bit. Lastly, I'm going to apply a very small amount of my Eco Styler gel. This is going to help to give my curls a little bit of hold and increase my definition.